Hey Auto Welders, and welcome to the Auto Weld Workshop. And today we're going to keep working on a Millennium Falcon inspired door, because if you saw my video, there was one thing missing, and that was a control panel so we can open and control the door. So this is how I made my control panel for my Millennium Falcon inspired door. So first I drew out my design that I wanted for the door on the size and everything that I wanted as a template so I could cut it out of wood. And I used this template to mark all my pieces and cut out all the other pieces that I need for the second layer. After cutting out all the pieces and all the holes for the buttons, I just did a light sanding on the piece. Like I said, I cut out all the other pieces that I need to cut, and these will work as templates for my EVA foam parts. Also, using the templates to mark out where my glue is going to go, and using contact cement and some CA glue, I glue on all the pieces of EVA foam. I mark the holes and cut them out. And I cleaned them up a bit with my Dremel. Then I used Plasti Dip to protect all the EVA foam parts. I have this 3D printed part, and I just put it all together, marked it, and got it ready for paint. I drilled a hole in the back of the center portion so it could help me rotate the pieces. Gave it a coat of black and then silver. And this portion I had to route it out so I can install the switch flush to the front. I mark all the pieces where they go and install them. I put in that screw, so you can see here, it spins. Now I get out my hard drive motor bin. Pick one out and cut out the hole so I can install it. I cut out in the front halfway and then the other side so it would not have a lot of breakout. Clean out the piece. Put it in place so I can mark it. Drill out pilot holes and put in some screws. Now, this is a part of some of the footage that I lost. This is the switch. I painted it gray and installed it and did basic electrical. I'm not an electrician, but this is very basic. And I put back the pieces of the door frame. And now let's see the final product. And there you have it, a control panel for my Millennium Falcon inspired door. So this is one way you can make a panel. There's a million ways you can make a panel. And if you follow a lot of other creators, you can see that you can make these panels out of any material. I just used the material that I had on hand. This could have been 3D printed. This could be laser cut. But for those like me that don't have like a laser cutter, I do have a 3D printer and I like to work with my hands. I prefer to use wood or PVC panel or anything that I have on hand like EVA foam. So I hope you like this video and inspires you to make your own Star Wars panel. Not only for a door or for switches, it could be just for decor. So want to thank you once again for being here in the Outer World Workshop and remind you, if you like this video, give it a like down in the bottom, and you can also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And you can also share it so other people can enjoy this content also and subscribe if they want to. I also want to remind you I have a Patreon if you want to help us and support us in that manner. The link is down in the description. And once again, thank you for being here in the Outer World Workshop, and see you next time when we make something out of this world. Is this thing on? Is it? It should be.